Good morning, wonderful people, great dear friends. My name is Mazi Obaleze Chukwugikem. I want to do this short video to address a pressing issue in this struggle. Yes. Thank you so much for giving me attention. Now, it's going to be a short one. The issue I want to address this morning is very, very important. It is the issue of these charlatans that usually come online when they want to be noticed, when they want to gain popularity, when they want to gain likes and listenership on Facebook. They will do only but one thing. The only thing they do is to mention the name of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, to insult him. It has been a norm to them. All of them from A to Z have mastered these tactics. And the reason why they are doing this is because they have noticed that immediately his name is mentioned, that the millions of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu followers, those who believe in freedom with truth and honesty, will come out against them. In other words, making them to be popular. That is the only reason why all of them are doing this. But they forget that after rain comes sunshine. Now, my own message this morning is going to those people who are using Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's name to gain popularity. In other words, creating enmity for themselves, making themselves the enemies of Biafra worldwide. Then my second message is going to those people who share their insults on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Dear friends, I want you people to listen and listen attentively. Let us apply what is called Akonwiche on this particular topic that I'm treating this morning. It's going to be a short one, very quick one. Very quick one. If these people are insulting your leader, our leader, my leader, and you are sharing it, number one, you are supporting them. You are an accomplice or whatever they call it in English to that crime. You are an accomplice to that crime. You are supporting that crime. You are supporting that person. Let me tell you people something about nature. Nature abhors vacuum. If you leave this house where I am now, if I leave this house and travel and never step my foot in this house for only 1 year, nature will take control of this place. If I come back in the next 1 year, this room, as beautiful as it is now, this house as beautiful as it is now, will no longer be like this. If I stay more longer, like 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, if I come back, you will notice that the doors will start spoiling, the glass windows, the POP. Some things, everything here will start, getting spoiled. You know why? Because there is no presence of a living under the roof. That is how the message I'm giving to you right now is going to work like. You see these people are continuously doing their video, sharing it, because somebody is coming in, sharing their video, They are making the video because somebody is still sharing their video. And those people that are sharing their video doesn't know that indirectly or directly they know that they are helping these people to circulate their hate speech against our leader. And this is a man who is fighting for every one of us, including those that are castigating him, including those that are saying nonsense against him. Now, the first thing is this. The people who are doing this video, they don't live here. They don't live here in Africa. They don't live in Nigeria. And they don't live in Biafra land. So, they are at their comfort zone abroad, where internet is free, where electricity is cheap, where there's running water, where everything they want is being put in place by the citizens of the countries where they are living. Yes, the citizens of the country where they are living put them in place. But somebody fought for the country to be as beautiful as it is, which they are enjoying today. And when that person was fighting their freedom, I don't know if there is somebody like these people who are castigating the person that is fighting for our own freedom now, that was dragging them back. If there is, it may be few. So, you that is sharing the video of Ijele, sharing the video of Ezawo, sharing the video of what is the name of these three daughters of Jezebel. You that is sharing the video of Kekwa Fankoza, is it traditional woke, Nanka, whatever. You that is sharing the video that duplicates our freedom, the video that brings the image of our leader down. You that is sharing it, you are helping them, you are one of them, you are supporting them. I bet you that if you stop sharing their video, whenever they mention Nandika, whether they insult you, whether you see it, you ignore it, you block them. If you do it for only 1 week, all of you put together that are sharing the video, all of you that are watching and commenting and fighting them back, commenting on their walls, if you do it for 1 week, you ignore them for 1 week, total ignore for 1 week, they will be decimated. They will be decimated. They will be lost into the thin air. Because before now, their listenership maybe they do a video, they talk about something, maybe 50 people, 70 people listening to them, or like what they say and share it. Now, when they insult Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they get up to 1,000, 2,000 people who are talking about them. And some of our people who are insulting them also share their video. I don't know where you're sharing it. But if you ignore them, totally and completely, oh my goodness me, they will be lost. That is the power of silence. So I want you all that is sharing their video to stop sharing those videos from this moment. If you want to watch, you watch, but do not share the video, because when you're sharing the video, you're circulating their lies. You are circulating their hatred against our leader. You are circulating their despicable comments against the struggle. So you are, in other words, supporting them. It's akonuche, common sense. Reason with me and stop sharing their video and watch them. Watch them disappear. Watch them disappear. Now, you idiots that are doing all this video, you are not on the ground. You are not here. You are at a place where there's security. And you are doing video castigating somebody who is trying to give us security. You are at a country where, you are in a country where there is water, there is electricity, there is good road, there is everything. And you are fighting somebody who wants to give us all this, who is fighting for us to have all these things, all these amenities that you are enjoying there. Know you that you are going to stay there, you're going to live there, you are going to die there, and you're going to be buried there. Yes, because you don't want good thing, and good thing will never come to your life. So, dear friends, I use this media to plead to all of you who normally share the video of all these idiots to stop sharing it. Block them. Do away with whatever they are. If you block okay, you will not hear him insult Mazi Nnamdi Kanu again. That is the law of nature. Once you block him, wherever you meet the video on the internet, don't even listen to what he's saying. Block it. I bet you that if you block all these people that are insulting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and I block them, and all of us who are following him in truth and honesty, block all of their channels, all their videos, all their Facebook pages and forum. If we block them completely, they will be dead. That is the simple example which I gave you about nature. They will be dead. It's just like you close this door and you go out, you travel, you spend 5 years, you come back, this house, before you know, this POP will start falling because there's nobody here. The POP is still standing. The walls are still fine. The paint are still fine. Everything here is still okay, intact, because there is a presence of a being here. Something that is alive is here. So that is how their program is. Once you are there, sharing, commenting, talking, they are alive. They will continue. But once you give them space, you block them, you isolate them, they will disappear before you know it. It is an advice that I'm giving to all of you. Ignore them, block them, and make sure you are not sharing their movie, their stupid videos. This is common sense. By the time they watch, they notice that they have insulted Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they have started the struggle, and they are not getting the popularity they want. Maybe 20 people only, which are their likes, like what they are doing and share it. At the end of the day, they will say, oh, this insult is no longer yielding any seed. It's no longer yielding any fruit. Let us stop it. It's not working again. That is how it is. I have applied that method. Whosoever that is speaking against this struggle, I block you. Whosoever that is attacking Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, I block you. Whosoever that is against the collective will of Biafrans for freedom, I block you. And once I block you, your chapter is closed. I will not be worried to listen to you again because I have blocked you. It is very simple. So I want you to apply this. If you do this, you are going to see the result. 1 week only, you will see it go down. I'm not saying that at times we should not confront such people if we meet them head on. We can confront them, just like our brother Chidera confronted the one that you called Ijele and finished him. Chidera took Ijele to stream and watched him, all the dirties in his body, and he was left with nothing. He started stammering, begging, excuse me, please, he was begging. Because Chidera was using a superior argument to intimidate him on his own forum, on his own live video, and he was lost with words. He began to dive from left to right, That kind of confrontation, I like it. But in other words, to do away with them, to silence them, and make them see them go into oblivion, is just to block them, delete them, ignore them, and they will all die. This is my message to you this morning. Once again, my name is Obale Chukwu. I see the hot, that's why they bring them. I am the anchor of this program. So today, by 1:30, I want you to join me live on my wall because we are going to discuss a very important issue. The killing of Biafrans inside Biafra land and the silence of the governors of Eastern region, especially in Imo State. This is the topic we are going to deal today. The telephone number to call through WhatsApp is already attached. Check my wall and you will see it there. When you check my wall, you will see the telephone number you are supposed to call on my wall. That is the WhatsApp call. It's going to be interactive. And I'm going to bring people live on the live show. So those who want to contribute, I'm going to bring you live so that you talk, you speak, and the world will hear you. Because today we are going to do justice to a lot of issues that is happening in our land. Our life matters. Thank you very much. And may God bless Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. May God bless you. May God bless Biafrans. May God bless myself. And may God bless everything that we touch. In the name of Chukwu Kabiama. Ise. Yadirun Namma. Kemesian. By 1:30, don't forget, as they hot, that's how they bring up.